The zodiac spans 360 degrees and is divided into 12 signs. These signs are grouped into 4 elements, with each element covering 90 degrees. The signs of each element are as follows. Fire, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. Earth, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. Air, Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. Water, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. Each sign covers 30 degrees and contains 2 1/4 nakshatras. Nakshatras, also known as constellations, are integral to this division. For example, Aries consists of below nakshatras: Ashwini, Bharni and Kritika. Taurus consists of Kritika, Rohini and Mrigashirsha nakshatras. Gemini consists of Mrigashirsha, Ardra and Punarvasu nakshatras. Notice that the last nakshatra of Aries sign is first nakshatra of Taurus, and same applies to Gemini and all the signs. We will discuss about this further. As we established earlier, each sign contains 2 1/4 nakshatras. There are 12 signs, so this sums up to 27 nakshatras, and each sign has 3 star lords. These star lords are nothing but planets. Let's just take an example of Aries Rashi. This Rashi consists of 3 nakshatras: Ashwini, Bharni and Kritika. Each of this nakshatra has 1 star lord as Ketu, Venus and Sun. This nakshatra and Rashi depends on birth date, birth time and birthplace.